Legal work is full of complexity, but not all of it needs to be manual. At Hack the Law Cambridge, Momen was honored to participate as both a sponsor and mentor, helping participants explore how AI and no-code tools can reduce repetitive tasks in litigation. As part of our workshop, our team built a hands-on demo to show what's possible. Litigators often deal with dozens or even hundreds of pages of witness statements and depositions. Trying to piece together who said what and when is a slow manual process. It's not just tedious, it's high risk. If you miss a contradiction or timeline error, it would affect your entire case strategy. That's the problem we tackled with our workshop demo. An AI-powered timeline generator built entirely using Momen. To illustrate what's possible, we built a working demo in 2 days, an application that takes raw statements, runs AI analysis, and generates a visual conflict-aware timeline in seconds. You might ask, why not just copy-paste transcripts into ChatGPT or Gemini and ask for a timeline? Here's why that falls short. You need repeatable workflows, not one-off prompts. You need memory, structure, storage, and collaboration, not just a single AI chat. And most importantly, non-technical users shouldn't have to write complex prompts every time. With Momen, we built an app where users click a button and get a full timeline, no engineering skills required. This app includes text or video ingestion. User can paste raw statements or upload video files. AI timeline generation. We use GPT 4.1 to extract events and timestamps. Conflict detection. We use Gemini 2.5 to find contradictions between statements. Interactive viewer. Events are displayed visually with quotes and evidence. Now let's break down how it works. We started by building a relational data model directly in Momen. The app uses 6 interconnected tables. Statement table is where raw user input is stored. The analysis is the anchor that ties everything together. Event evidence table stores source quotes supporting each event. And the event in conflict, it links events to specific conflicts. The conflict table stores inconsistency flagged by the AI. Timeline event table stores structured events extracted by AI. We chain them together via the data relations. For example, each analysis record links to multiple statements and events, which means 2 witness statements and all the timeline data they produce can be connected under a single case. We use 2 AI agents, each powered by a different large language model to handle distinct tasks. The timeline extractor, powered by GPT 4.1, reads each statement and extracts individual events, time spent, and speaker details. The conflict detector, using Gemini 2.5, compares events across multiple statements and flags any inconsistencies. By assigning different responsibilities to different models, we get more specialized and accurate results. Using Momen's action flows, we created logic that orchestrates AI agents and database operation. Each of these action flows will process all the statements and trigger AI agents, formats the results, and finally saves everything in a database. The front end has just 2 pages. A submission page where users paste or upload statements, and a timeline view that displays all extracted events, including conflict highlights. When the Generate Timeline button is clicked, the statements are stored in the database and an analysis ID is created. Then, the Process Statements action flow is triggered to run the Timeline Extractor AI agent. When the Detect Conflicts button is clicked, the conflict detector action flow will be triggered to run the detector agent. All the conflict events are flagged and saved to the database. What makes the timeline feel responsive and interactive is 2 components. The list component. This displays a timeline using a real-time subscription to the database, so if a conflict is added or updated, the UI reacts instantly. Conditional view. When an event is flagged as a conflict, a visual indicator like a red dot appears. We built the entire project in just 2 days. It can handle multiple pages of statements and return a structured, conflict-aware timeline in under 30 seconds. That means a paralegal or associate could save hours of reading time and reduce the risk of missing key contradictions. While this demo focused on legal, the framework can be applied to any industry that deals with repetitive tasks like this. This was a workshop demo, but it points to a real opportunity, using no-code and AI to reduce repetitive cognitive tasks, so professionals can focus on higher-value work. Whether you're in law, operations, or any document data-heavy field, structured AI workflows like this offer a glimpse into how smarter tools can be built, quickly, affordably, and without the technical team.